Asta here with another quick tutorial. I'm going to show you quickly on how to add an admin and also the different options that you have on permissions. So without further ado, let's jump straight into it. As you can see, we're here in the Chatbot Builder AI dashboard. We're in analytics, so all we're going to do is head down to settings. That's the first thing we would do. From here, we simply want to head over to admins and then click on manage where it says admins. Amazing, so you can see that I'm right here. Now, the first thing that you would want to do is simply click on add, and then you would decide, do you want them to be a super admin, which gives them pretty much all the permissions, or you want to untick and decide what permissions they do have access to. So let's say, for example, you're having someone manage your flows. So you would just select flows. Let's say you would want them to have flows and content in inbox. Same thing. You get the idea. However, though, if you want someone to manage the account, for example, if you bring on a partner who's going to be with you in this and you want them to have full access, you will click on super admin. Then you will click on continue and you will be given this link right here where it says copy the link below and send to the person that you want to add as an admin. You would then copy this link by clicking the button and send it to them. They simply would click on the link, get redirected, log into their CVB account, and then they would become an admin here. Now, another thing that you can do is you can click on the three dots right here next to the person that's part of your admin team. Click edit, and you can now give them the different settings that they need. For example, the email for the admin's notifications. So you can ask them what email would they prefer to have put into here so that when they get a notify admin, for example, for a new lead, a sale, or etc., then that would be the email that they would be notified at. Now for permissions, again, you can choose what you want to give them. And then you got a different notification types. So notify admin or new message to human. You can toggle this on and off. Another thing is the notification channels. Now, you may be questioning why you're not seeing any of the other channels here. I don't have to connect to this account. So for example, if you were to connect, let's say Telegram, you then would have that part of the notification channels option. Now, I'm not going to click on Messenger or any of the other ones. We're going to leave it just as is, but that's pretty much on how you would add someone to your admin panel. So that's a quick tutorial. I hope it was helpful. If you have any further questions, drop them down in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.